This guy is the second tallest sauropod in the sauropod experience. This is Brachiosaurus, codenamed tree-top feeding dinosaur. It was one of the tallest and one of the most experienced. It has been around for many years. First of all, it premiered on Walking with Dinosaurs, and was one of the first dinosaurs to be premiered on Jurassic Park. I've had a huge experience with this dinosaur. Brachio is basically one of my top best favorites. Let me just extend this. Alexa, play Jurassic Park theme. Alexa, play Jurassic Park theme.
Theme from Jurassic Park by John Williams on Amazon Music.
There we are. There's his foot. There he is, Brachiosaurus, one of the biggest dinosaurs. First of all, it was found in North America and Africa. It was kind of amazing to see it here, kind of like Jurassic Park, kind of like Jurassic World. It was seen in all 6 of the dinosaurs. By the way, all the dinosaurs were revived thanks to this. I still have it in my collection. This goes out to every dinosaur that I've met in the past. Especially to those dinosaur-related heroes. There we are, folks. That is how you draw Brachiosaurus. Let me know what other dinosaurs you want me to draw next. Shoot, I think I made the neck a bit too short. It's supposed to look like this. And finished. They're moving in herds. They do move in herds.